Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to log in Instagram from Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on menu option. Okay, click on setting and privacy, then tap on settings. After that, tap on see more in account center and click on profile, then tap on Instagram profile. Okay, then tap sign profile info. Okay, just wait and click Instagram, then name, username, profile. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.